This here is the Ivy Organics 3-in-1 Plant Guard Ready to Use Spray. It is used on your vegetables. This particular application you can use on your vegetables. They do have other products in which you can use on your shrubs, bushes, and trees, ornamental trees, nut trees, that type of thing. This is, and both products are good for protecting against damaging sunburn, insects, and rodents. So if you have problems, or you kind of want to be proactive instead of reactive in this situation in your garden, sometimes you have aphids, spider mites on your tomato plants. This is a great application to apply to your plants, underside of the leaf and the top, to protect the plant. It puts a barrier. One, it's kind of like a sunscreen that you would put on your body, but two, it puts that layer of protection in which it protects the plants from being attacked by those insects, and those insects go elsewhere. Again, you can spray it anywhere on the plant. You want to coat the leaves, top to bottom, inside and out, upside down. You just don't want to spray the flowers of it. And you can do this on your tomatoes, on your squash, to protect those plants as well from damaging sunburn. Ivy Organics, they have several different products and different colors in other products with the application that we have used on our cherry bush. You can get it in several different colors. They've been a primary sponsor on the hotline for our radio show in Milwaukee for 2 years now. We greatly appreciate their sponsorship. But this is a great formula, great product in order to protect your flowers, your vegetables, your plants from damaging sunburn and insects and rodents. And newly installed plants and trees works really, really well. So ivyorganics.com is the place. You can get this and you can protect your garden so you can have a produce. Instead of playing reactive, you can be proactive with your plants.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.